I'm Matthias Leitner. I'm the technical director of the ALS-U project, and we are here to celebrate a key milestone the ALS-U project team has achieved this summer, the installation of the accumulator ring, which you see here on the side. That accumulator ring is required to prepare the electron beam for injection into the future storage ring. And we've now completed the installation of the entire hardware in the tunnel, which is a major milestone.
Hello, my name is Tobias Griesemer. I'm in the removal and installation team of the ALS-U project, and I'm the shutdown manager and coordinator for this shutdown, and I'm also the main point of contact for the accumulator ring installation.
Hello, I'm Kyle McCombs, the ALS Mechanical Technology Group Lead, and our team provides mechanical support for shutdowns and work leading up to the shutdown.
This summer shutdown, we focused on the booster-to-accumulator-ring, otherwise known as the BTA transfer line, and finishing the Sector 12 accumulator ring. One of the coolest things about installing the BTA transfer line is that it's literally where the ALS and ALS-U come together. In this shutdown, we split the existing injector line from the booster to the ALS storage ring, allowing us to inject a beam into the new accumulator ring for commissioning while continuing ALS user operations without impact. The complexity and tight space in this area requires that all installations be performed via the overhead crane. At the very beginning of the shutdown, 10 roof blocks were lifted to open the ALS tunnel, enabling the installation.
One of the things we're proudest of this summer is the fact that we didn't actually start building the BTA assemblies until the shutdown started.
The BTA installation was our toughest installation challenge so far. The space in the transfer line area is very tight, and on top of that, every single BTA assembly is unique. The installation required custom fabricated lifting fixtures, which were manufactured and qualified in-house. Our most exciting installation was the BTA 3. It needed to be transported, suspended from the crane, and installed at an uphill angle.
Midway through the shutdown, a major QA issue was discovered with the septum assembly. In order to install the septum, we had to disassemble a device and machine a few new parts. Because we were able to perform this repair work in-house with fast turnaround time, we could install this last AR assembly within the shutdown window with a few days left to spare. With the hardware all in place now, the team is focusing on the final integration of the remaining components, starting with precision alignment of all the rafts and dipoles, completing the vacuum connections, connecting the cooling lines, and adding electrical connections to energize the hardware. With the installation work now complete, the ALS roof is closed once again for the next period of user operations this fall.
Hi, my name is Dimitri Argyriou. I'm the interim project director for the Advanced Light Source Upgrade project and away from my role as ALS director. The thing about these great projects is that they don't build themselves. People build these upgrades, people build great machines. And what you see here is the hallmark of a collaboration between ALS, ALS-U, and the lab to produce such a transformational project.